Guys, quick video on how to check your time zone settings in a Google Sheet. Pretty easy. So you go to File, and then from here, oh no, this is in the wrong place. Good now. So you go to File, and then Spreadsheet Settings, and then make sure that under General, well, first, this is also really important. Make sure that the locale matches your locale. So if you're in the United States, make sure it's United States. If you are somewhere else in the world, make sure that the locale setting is adequate and correct for your location. But also, very important, time zone. Make sure that you are in the time zone of, or the other way around, that the spreadsheet is in the time zone where you are located. Otherwise, like imports, exports of data, they just maybe mismatched. And, if you run a query with a today component, it may just not match, right? Because your spreadsheet is located in a time zone different from your actual time zone, right? So especially also whenever you have, let's say, a web of spreadsheets that you have connected, always make sure that all these spreadsheets ideally reside inside the same time zone to make sure that, nothing goes wrong. That's it. If you have any questions, just, let me know. Bye.